Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a new shipment. So to create a new shipment, all we're going to do is we're going to go here to this page and we're going to go to where it says guides. It's going to open us the menu for the shipments and we're going to click create guide. Once right here, you have the option to put in your customer's names, like for example, the sender of the customer and the person who is receiving it. Here, to add a new customer, you just click the green button. You can do this for both the sender and the recipient. And then once you have typed in all the information on both the recipient and the sender, you have the option to both send them email notifications or WhatsApp notifications for both the sender and the recipient. Once you're there, to add packages to the shipment, all you gotta do is we come here and then to scan the tracking number of a package, you can either put in the tracking number through the scanner and you just scan the barcode on your package, or you can manually type the tracking number of the package. So for this one, we're gonna do 8765, and then you have the option to put in a description, like for example, clothes and shoes. Then you have the option to put in the worth, the dimensions, the weight, and how many pieces it is. So we could say it is 10 by 10 by 10 by, and it weighs 40 pounds, and it is one box. Then over here, it's going to show you the volume. To add more packages to the shipment, you just click on this blue button, and then it'll give you another line to add more packages. Here in where it says type, it just says what type of package it is, and you can click either if it's a box, one of the parcels, and other things. And then you also have the option to take a picture of the package. And then here in this green button, when you have a lot of boxes, like for example, a lot of large Home Depot boxes, you can put in the dimensions already default to your database. And then instead of always having to put in the dimensions manually, you just click on this green button and then pick one of the options. Once you're done, also to remove a package, you just click the red X and it will automatically remove one of the packages. Once you're done with all your packages, down here is going to tell you, it's going to give you a overall of how many packages, the width, the volume, the weight, and how many parts it is. Then when we come down here, you have the option to either put in a fee, a service, and you can put in a signature of the shipment. So for fees, here you could assign the rate, and when you assign a rate, this is the price lists of the rates that are already designated to your company. So, for example, we could put this U.S. General airfare. We can click on it, and then automatically it's gonna be all the information is gonna be put on into the rates. Like for example, the measure value, how much the customer has to pay, the declared amount, the insured amount, the discount if you guys do that, the commission that your company is gonna get, other positions, and any additional charges. Then to services, here are just the services that your company does. Like for example, if you do a fast shipping service, you can put that in here, and then you just put in all the information in here, and then it'll go and it'll be added into the total amount. And then for signed declarations, here you can add a signature, let's say for the person that has received the shipment, and then they can just sign, and then you could put accept and accept the signature, and then the signature is going to be automatically put into the shipment. And then under here, under the totals, it's going to tell you how much the shipment will cost. And then once you're done with all that, all you have to do is click create, and your shipment should be created. And to make sure, it's going to take you to this page, and this is just all the information of your shipment. Other things you could do with your shipment is when we click on more actions, you can update the shipment, and for status, you can also update the status. And then here to print the label of your shipment, you just come to this button that says label, you click on it, it's going to take you to a new page, and then here shows the label of your shipment. Thank you for watching this video.